The Galaxy Watch Ultra is taking Android smartwatches to the extreme. It's Samsung's most expensive watch at $650. It's got a bold, durable design, unique health features, and it's ready to go head-to-head with that other Ultra watch. Game on. I think the best way to describe the Galaxy Watch Ultra's look is unique. It's still got that familiar Samsung round screen trapped inside a squircle case. Let me know your thoughts about this design down in the comments. It definitely does look better in person, and after wearing it for about an hour in a quick hands-on, it's grown on me for sure. Now it's just one 47mm case size. My wrist measures 152mm for reference, so you can get a feel of how it might look on you. It comes in a titanium grey, white, or silver. Now, Samsung also has a regular Galaxy Watch 7, which comes in a small and a large size, which we'll talk about soon. But back to the Ultra. Now, as your resident bezel enthusiast, I am truly sad to tell you that Samsung has decided to move away from a physical rotating bezel on the Ultra that's only available on the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic, which is staying in Samsung's lineup. Instead, the Ultra uses the touch bezel, so you move your finger around the inside rim to scroll through settings, or of course you can also use the buttons and the touchscreen. I only just got over the bezel coming back on the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic, and now it's gone again? Ugh. And you'd be forgiven if some of the Ultra's other key features sound kind of familiar with another high-end Ultra watch. There's a customizable quick button to start and pause workouts, switch between sports in multi-sport mode, launch an 85 decibel siren, or even launch the flashlight or the stopwatch. There's a dual frequency GPS using L1 and L5 bands. LTE is on board as standard. It has a super bright screen at 3000 nits, and there are 3 custom watch straps for water, trail, and everyday use. And the Galaxy Watch Ultra also measures heart rate, blood oxygen, and has an ECG or electrocardiogram. Yep, that all rings a bell. But here's where things start to get more interesting. This watch and the regular Galaxy Watch 7 can do a lot of things that other Ultra can't. The Bioactive Sensor is redesigned, and this is what drives heart rate, electrical heart rate signal, and bioimpedance. That is what's measuring body composition. Samsung claims it's more accurate for not only heart rate tracking and blood oxygen readings, but now gives an advanced glycation end products, or AGE's index. It's a lot of words, but that's an indicator of metabolic health and biological aging. I'm really looking forward to my watch telling me I'm 80 years old inside. Great! And the heart rate algorithm for higher intensity workout types like cycling and strength training specifically has been tweaked for greater accuracy. Sleep apnea detection is the other big new thing, with the Galaxy Watch 7 and Ultra both getting it out of the box. Wear it to bed for at least 2 nights, and if the watch detects potential signs of obstructive sleep apnea, you'll get a notification on your phone. Now, this is a big deal because it's FDA authorized, and it's the first of its kind in the US. Even better news is it's also coming to older Galaxy Watches later in the year via the Samsung Health Monitor app. And the Ultra is of course water resistant, rated IP68, and it has a wider operating range and temperature than Samsung's other watches. Elsewhere, there are some other nice touches. So double the internal storage from last year's Galaxy Watch 6 line. It's now 32GB. And the new processor feels a lot snappier too. I'm really hoping it's going to reduce some of that lag I experienced on the 5 and 6. The battery life on the Ultra is now going to get you up to 60 hours with the always-on display turned on with regular use. There's a power-saving mode that can extend that battery life up to 100 hours, and a workout power-saving mode for up to 48 hours. There is some bad news though. The Galaxy Watch Ultra uses a new mechanism for its watch band, so you're not going to be able to use older watch bands on the Ultra. Now let's not forget the regular $300 Galaxy Watch 7. It's going to come in either a small or a large case size, 40 or 44mm respectively. The small comes in a green or cream, and the large is green or silver. Now battery capacity on the regular model also differs, 300 mAh battery on the small and 420 on the large. Now both of these watches are also going to lean into Galaxy AI, not only for analysing your sleep and health metrics to give you things like an energy score and wellness tips, but both of the watches will also analyse incoming messages and give you suggested replies that match the tone of the conversation. Let me know what you want answered about these new watches, and stay tuned for the full review. Both watches are available to pre-order now and available on July 24th. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time. See ya!